Okay, so we have RStudio, we're open it. Now in this session I'm just going to show you how to use the console to do some basic calculations. So let's have a look. Here's the console. So in the console of R we can just use it like a calculator. So for example, if I want to do 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10. Once you've entered the command you want to do, you just hit return and it gives the answer, 20. So we can do subtraction. We can also do negative numbers. No problem, and it gives the answer out. To do multiplication, we use the asterisk. So instead of times, we use the asterisk. 20 will give 20 times 2. Division, we use the backslash. For powers, for example, if you want to do 2 to the power 3, we use what is called the caret, which you'll find on Shift 6, and that gives the power. As well, R also has functions. So if I wanted the square root of 4, or 4 to the power 0.5, but as well we also have functions. Now often these functions have a name, and then to pass the numbers in, we put it in brackets. So if I wanted the square root of 4, I can go sqrt for square root, open a bracket, put 4, RStudio has automatically closed it for me. When I hit return, I get the answer 2. So things you might find useful, we can get the cos of something, we can get sine, tan, we can also get log. Now the interesting thing is, the log here is actually the natural base, and we can actually add in extra parameters. So if I go log, now to have a look I can hit tab, and it shows that this takes two things. You can see it's got an x and a base. So x is the number, hit comma, now I can pass in another parameter. Again, if I hit tab, it lets us know what base. So we can do base 10, and not base 10, it's 10. So you can see that when we have functions like this, we can put in multiple things. So we've done square root log. The other one we can do is exponential, which basically does e to the power of whatever we pass in. The other thing that's quite useful is the arrow keys. Let's say I realised I didn't want exponential of 10, I actually want the exponential of 9. If I play the up arrow key, it brings the last command back. And in fact, by using the up arrow key, I can go back through my history. So these are all the commands I've typed in so far, or using the down key I can go back. So I can go back to the one that's exponential. I can then use the left arrow key to move backwards and forwards the cursor, get rid of 9, 10, and put in 9. So that's really useful if you want to go back and type in the same commands. You can use the up arrow and the down arrow to go between your previous commands. Excellent, that's all for now.